Welcome to Notorio 2, a massive update to our revolutionary music learning app that transforms how the app listens, teaches, and grows with you as a musician. We've kept the core experience you love, but we've rebuilt the foundation to make it more powerful for every learner and every instrument. One of the biggest additions to version 2 is our Advanced Lessons and Exercises section, where you can download all kinds of lessons and exercises online. This is a growing library where pro subscribers can access focused content like hand and finger independence exercises for piano, interactive jazz theory explainers, or a violin tetrads tutorial. These can be drills you practice over and over, or guided lessons to teach you a new concept. When you jump into an exercise, the reading experience is now much more natural than before. Instead of seeing just one note at a time, Notorio now displays as many notes as can fit on your screen, complete with stems and realistic spacing. It feels more like reading actual sheet music, giving you the context you need to play with better flow. Additionally, in settings, you can now select a custom note range. While we still have presets for different instruments, you can now manually dial in the exact lowest and highest notes you want to practice in the core exercises. This is a game changer for vocalists practicing a specific range, students focusing on ledger lines, or beginners who have only learned a handful of notes on their instrument. You can still choose between our 3 signature modes for any exercise or lesson: Auto Listen, where the app waits for you to play the right note, Timer Mode to push your response speed, or Manual Advance to go at your own pace. To make sure the app works perfectly in any environment, we've added adjustable auto-listen sensitivity, so you can fine-tune Notorio to hear your instrument with your specific setup. Notorio 2 is humane software that is designed to work alongside real-world teachers. It's the perfect tool for a piano or violin teacher to assign us homework, allowing them to check a student's progress the following week to see exactly where they're thriving or struggling. Notorio 2 is coming soon to iPhone, iPad, and now will also be available on Mac. The core exercises remain free to use, and our expanding library of advanced lessons is available with a simple pro subscription. If there's a specific lesson you want to see, just let us know through the request button. We're building this library for you. This is Notorio 2, a smarter, more flexible way to master any instrument.